Mastering possessive determiners in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're tackling a topic that can sometimes get a bit tricky: possessive determiners. Yes, those small words that show possession in English. Don't worry, though, by the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what possessive determiners are, how they work, and most importantly, how to use them correctly in your sentences. Let's dive right in. Possessive determiners, in English, are words that modify a noun by attributing possession or other relationships to someone or something. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. These words are always followed by a noun, which they determine or define by indicating who it belongs to. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," the possessive determiner, my, tells us that the book belongs to the speaker. Here are a few examples of sentences using possessive determiners. 1. My cat is black. 2. I like your idea. 3. His answer was correct. 4. Her flowers are beautiful. 5. The dog is wagging its tail. 6. Our house is near the park. 7. Their car broke down. Remember, a possessive determiner always comes before a noun and indicates who the noun belongs to. It's also important to understand the difference between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns, as they can often be confused. While possessive determiners are followed by a noun, possessive pronouns stand alone and replace the noun. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. For example, in the sentence, "This book is mine," the possessive pronoun, mine, replaces the noun phrase, my book. Here's a quick comparison. I lost my book. Possessive determiner. The book is mine. Possessive pronoun. And that's a wrap on possessive determiners. Remember, these words are an essential part of English grammar that allow us to express possession or relationship to the nouns we're talking about. Keep practicing them, and soon you'll be using them like a native speaker. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope you found it useful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll continue our exploration of English grammar. Happy learning!